and all thing. I think Devanshu is the we can answer your all the queries about that. I think Tarun was having a lot of things, and one Samir, they were having a lot of questions. So I believe that in this session you will be able to get to know what exactly you want to know. So I am Sumananand. Over to Devanshu. I think there will be some more to participate in this, so we can start it with that.
Right, that's great. So yes, guys, as Suman told us, we will be having all your queries sorted. In the meantime, during the presentation, if you would be having any queries, feel free to post your queries on chat. Our management team, HR team, and the mentors team will be happy to answer all your questions. So we are starting our presentation. So welcome to Hackveda's live class, where we will be having discussions on training, certifications, internships, and jobs. And the program will be conducted in the following manner. So we'll be introducing you about Hackveda, our team, services, and everything, followed by an MCF AI session by Mr. Satwik. MTA Python, Mr. Abhishek is not available, so we will be having a quick conversation and his information as well, followed by the admissions and Thanksgiving, so that you can get most out of the programs. So here, as you all can quickly see, about Hackveda, we are a workforce development organization. We started in 2011, and we work on various verticals, which includes software development, research development, AWS consultancy, IoT, and many more. So me, as the director of Hackveda, I've been working on various technologies, including cybersecurity, IoT, machine learning, deep learning, and the list is going on. Currently, my interest is towards customer engagement, customer experience, and various other technologies. Now, this is our team, which you already had a quick interaction with. Mr. Amit, data engineer from Google, is a guest faculty available with us who takes various courses on Microsoft Technology Associate Java, as well as data engineering courses. Followed by, we do have a pool of team who covers a lot of career-oriented programs, which we will be talking about today. Then we have our HR managers, Ms. Shivangi and Ms. Suman, followed by our mentors. Mr. Satwik is available with us today. So he will be conducting discussions on MCF AI 900, followed by the MTA Python part. We will be also discussing, as Mr. Abhishek is not available, but you can meet him in the live classes as soon as we progress further. So guys, Hackveda products and services for workforce development is actually distributed into the following categories, where we are a Certiport authorized Pearson VUE test center. We also provide Hackveda learning curve fundamental courses, where we deal with courses like Python, Java, machine learning, full stack, ethical hacking, big data, and various other. Followed by Hackveda job-oriented courses also. So what we do is we prepare students to readily work as a workforce in the industry. So various companies are available as a hiring partner on our platform, wherein we will be discussing about two companies today: Wipro, which hires for Azure AI/ML lead, and Siemens Energy, which hires for Python developer. So our program we will be discussing in the following. So as a Certiport authorized test center, here is our certificate for Certiport authorized testing center. We are successfully conducting exams from 2019 for corporate, and we issue certificates from companies somewhat like this. So you can see that there's a Microsoft certified Azure AI fundamental certificate issued from Microsoft, signed by the CEO authority. So various other technological programs from Adobe, Apple, Autodesk, EC Council, Intuit, Microsoft Certified Educator, Microsoft Certified Fundamentals, Microsoft Technology Associate Python. So all these programs are available with Hackveda's platform under Certiport certification training and getting certified. Followed by, we offer Hackveda learning curves, which is the core where our mentors train students on industrial certifications, machine learning, Python, Android programming, various other programming languages, cybersecurity, website design, digital marketing, big data, cloud, and various other services. This is the level 2 of the program which we offer to students. Followed by, once the students are done with the fundamental courses, they can also learn with us career-oriented programs. In the career-oriented programs, we prepare students to work as a workforce in the industry. So various companies like PhonePe, Information Services Group, PwC Acceleration Centers, Sony Research India, EXL, they hire from us, like Myntra, Wipro Limited, for various positions. So we will be discussing about all of these things today. Followed by, all these services are available in 3 categories. We train students for certifications, Hack with the learning curves, and career programs by corporate classrooms, instructor-led online classrooms, and self-learning with mentor support through Trello boards, and various options are available. So our products and services are delivered to students for workforce development in the following 3 manner. Free self-learning courses are available on the platform via Hackveda one-to-one, where you can learn with the videos and you can have question answer support on Talk to Mentor on the website. Followed by the level 2 services which we offer includes instructor-led learning on Zoom and Google Meet with live interaction from the mentors and live question answer support, 24/7 question answer support. Followed by, we do offer third product where 24/7 personalized QA support, access to latest videos and resources for interview preparations are available on Trello. So we will be walking you through all these services. Now, once it comes to one-to-one self-learning, so there is a website, hackveda.in/one-to-one. The link is available on our website, hackveda.in. I'm quickly sharing the link with you all, hackveda.in/one-to-one. Here you can learn a lot of courses for free through self-learning video series. You need to have an account, and once you registered on the website, an email has been sent to you from Hackveda Limited, where you would have received the password. So you can log in with ID and password. You can get access to all the courses available on the platform with respect to for whatever program you have registered. Now, once you access the program, you get to have ample amount of video series available to go through in a self-learning mode. And this self-learning mode courses are absolutely free of cost. You can learn through these videos, get those concepts implemented practically, and directly apply as an intern to our website or through career@hackveda.ca. That is an email ID over which you can quickly apply as an intern once you are done learning from these courses. Because for the kind of internships we need the students to understand all of these concepts properly so that they can actively work with us on various industrial projects which we are working on. Followed by, within your one-to-one account, you can get a lot of certifications from us, which includes certificates issued by Hackveda. And the certificates look somewhat like this, which is available at the right-hand side. So Hackveda, as a certiport, gives you certifications from corporate, Microsoft, and various other companies like Apple, Adobe, as well as Hackveda issues certificates for Hackveda learning curves, as well as Hackveda career programs, which I have shared with you. Now, we do organize our trainings in 3 formats, where we organize it in corporate classrooms, where in our corporate classroom students turn up, we have one-to-one discussions with them. Also, we organize online trainings for students, those who are available at remote locations, those who are not available in Delhi, Noida, or Canada. Followed by, we do have corporate classrooms like this, where we do cater large amount of students where they work and learn practically with us. Coming to the next point, in order to give a personalized experience to every student, we quickly create a candidate card on our Trello board, and all the students get an appropriate checklist of whatever course topics they have to cover, depending on the kind of course they have opted for. And there we had a one-to-one communication with them so as to train them on all the topics relevant to their certification, learning curves, or the career programs. And they can have a lot of question and answers with us over this. 24/7 support is available on Trello, and there are a lot of students who learn with us in a live interactive format. Then there are a lot of hiring partners available on the platform. So what we do is we prepare students to actively work as a developer or as an employee of the following hiring partners, where we prepare them for all the interview questions. Okay, so with these interview questions, you get to prepare for that particular company, and all the questions with respect to every company is available on each card, where we add our students, train them on the fundamental technology, train them on the interview preparation courses, get them certified for the as far as the recognition, international recognition is concerned from Microsoft and others. So this is what we conduct. So coming to now I'm transferring the MTA part. So Satwik, please take over and you can discuss about the MCF AI 900 part. Yeah, allow me 1 minute. Let me just allow you to share the screen. Yeah, the screen share privileges have been shared. And guys, what I'm doing is I'm sharing a link with you on the file, on the chat, the presentation which we are taking up. You can quickly read about it once again, and you'll get that ample amount of information. Yes, Satwik, please.
Thank you, sir. So, hi guys. I'll quickly start by introducing myself. My name is Satwik Gupta, and I'm certified in Microsoft Certified Fundamentals Artificial Intelligence 900, and I'll be your mentor for Azure Artificial Intelligence. As you can see, my certification is on the screen. So let's start by discussing a part that a person needs to follow to be job ready, right? So first of all, you need to develop a skill set, gain fundamental knowledge about the field, and slowly increase your expertise in it. The next step always is to do projects and then do internship to gain industrial experience, which is followed by acquiring certifications. So you might have the skill set, you would have built projects, but you need certifications to validate your skills, right? You need to show employers something. So you need certifications for that. And after you've completed the first 3 steps, you've acquired the skills, you have done projects, and you have the internship experience, you've acquired certifications, then you need to prepare for, then you need to do interview preparation for the company you are aiming at, right? So this is the entire journey that a person follows to be job ready. So what if I tell you that we have a program that we've built this program to make you so that in this 3-month program, MCF AI 900, we'll be also conducting mock tests regarding it, and we'll be training you from scratch. So you'll be gaining knowledge from fundamentals, and then you'll be slowly increasing your knowledge and become a professional in that field, right? After you gain the knowledge, then we'll be conducting a 2-month internship experience program for you. So you'll be interning at Hackveda in collaboration with Wipro. I'll discuss it all in detail. Moving on. So first of all, we have this 1-month program where we'll be training you in Azure AI 900. So as you can see, this is the entire course contents. So we'll be starting from machine learning introduction. So you'll be gaining knowledge from fundamentals, and we'll slowly be building upon that. And by the end of the course, you'll be proficient in cognitive services, ML Studio and AutoML, as well as in computer vision, right? So you'll be gaining knowledge while during the complete course, which would be followed by the internship experience program. So we've partnered up with Wipro, which is a hiring partner, and we've built this Azure AI ML in technical lead program. So you'll be doing an industrial project in collaboration with Wipro. So as you can see on the screen, you can read about the program. So you'll be doing this program for 2 months. You'll be building projects that Wipro requires, that Wipro expects its candidates, right? What it expects industrial knowledge from its candidates, and you'll be gaining that knowledge. So I think you want to know what you'll learn in this program. So you'll be learning about REST API gateway services. You'll be building projects on Azure machine learning, as well as you will be learning exploratory data analysis. So you'll be learning all these things. So now I'll show you what Wipro requires. So this is a screenshot from Wipro's website, and they've posted this job requirement. So this is what they require from a candidate who's applying for a job, right? So they require the candidate to be well versed in Azure cloud and Azure machine learning capabilities. They require that the person has some experience in building these projects. They require the person to be effective in exploratory data analysis. They also require REST API gateway services knowledge. So we'll be providing you with all of these. You'll be building projects with us so that you're completely job ready for Wipro, right? So concluding everything, let's answer some frequently answered questions. Why career-oriented program? So as we've already discussed, this is a path that we need to follow from being a fresher to being job ready. So if there's one program where you can completely do this journey with us and be job ready, so this is it, right? You're getting to do industrial projects in collaboration with Wipro, which again is a big deal. So it is definitely worth it and you should go for it. The second is, our certifications worth it? So we've already discussed that you might have the skill set, but you need to validate it. You need to show something to the employer. Certifications are very important for that. So with this program, you'll be getting a certificate for course completion, as well as you'll be getting an industrial internship experience certification that you've completed this internship in collaboration with Wipro, right? So you'll be getting that as well. Where can I find the latest and authentic resources for a particular role? So as I've already discussed, we at Hackweather are here to facilitate this entire journey for you. We'll be providing you with all the course contents so that you're ready to enter the job market. And the last thing, the job interviews. So we'll also be preparing you for job interviews. You'll be provided with questions so that you can practice them and you are ready for the job market, right? So as we've already discussed, we're a workforce development company. So this is what we're trying to do. We're making sure that you are ready for the workforce. So we build this program for you, right? As you can see on the screen, these are our contact details and our addresses. Right now, we're operating from Delhi, Noida, and Canada, right? So yeah, that was it. Any questions regarding this program, MCF AI 900? I'm open to that.
So guys, if you have any questions for MCF AI 900, so what we have done in the chat section, we have shared a link with you for MCF AI 900 quiz. This MCF AI 900 quiz contains the following questions which are generally asked in the MCF AI 900 exam, so that you can prepare well and get Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals certification issued from Microsoft itself. So this examination is of approximately 50 minutes and you will be given 60 questions to solve it, okay? Mostly the questions are object oriented. So if I quickly show you, I have shared a link with you all where we have curated the quiz in such a format so that you will be able to learn all the questions, the kind of questions which is asked in the paper. And there is a very high probability of 99.9% that you will be clearing the examinations if you prepare well. Followed by, as Satvik has conveyed this information with you all, that the service includes 1 month of curated training where you learn MCF AI 900 fundamentals in 24 classes of 1 hour each. So what do? We try to organize these classes every day from Monday to Saturday for a period of 24 for a period of 1 month. Just allow me 1 minute. Yeah. So here I'm just sharing the link with you. Just allow me one minute. So that we'll be sharing the relevant information with you. Yeah. So I'm sharing 2 links with you. One link is for MTA Python program, and second link is for MCF AI 900 program details. Okay. So if I'm taking you to MTA Python as well as MCF AI 900 program, will give you a quick walkthrough of what is available in the program and how you can gain the best out of it. Okay. So MCF AI 900 training and internship, this includes, you will be learning through an Microsoft certified educator for AI 900. In this program, we cover 24 classes from 6 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. daily from Monday to Saturday. So the next batch which we are starting is from 2nd of August onwards, where your first class will start. You will be trained on each and every fundamental concepts of Microsoft Certified Fundamentals AI 900 as per the syllabus which is given to you on chat, as well as the syllabus which we have shown you, which Satwik sir has already shown you. Once you are done with completion of 1 month of training and once you are done with the certification, the MCF AI 900 certification is an optional part which generally comes at a price of 3696, which is the list price on Microsoft. But if you want, as a Certiport authorized training center, we are offering it at 799 only. So this is an optional voucher cost, which you can take along with the program. And the overall training program fee is 399 rupees only. So once you're done with the training of 24 classes, you work as an intern with us for 2 months. And the offer which we are sharing with you on screen is a one-time offer, which is active for today. By end of the day, by 12 a.m., you can claim the offer. Now, in this duration, what you will be doing, you will be working on one industrial project with us for a consulting company based in Australia as well as in India. So the current MCF AI 900 program, we are dealing with the consulting firm Wipro, where you will be working on a consulting Azure AI ML lead based project, and you will be learning all the roles and responsibilities as per the requirements. And what you will be becoming, you will become an Azure AI cognitive services practitioner. So this will be as an intern role, which you can learn. You will also get an internship certificate for 2 months for this. And as a token of appreciation, as soon as you are successfully selected as a paid intern at Hackweather, or if you are selected at any other company also, and once you get a joining or offer letter, so we are offering a full fee refund facility also. So once you are selected as a paid intern, once you're selected as a placement at any of the companies, so you will be bringing in brand value. And as far as the token of appreciation is concerned, we will be sharing you a full fee refund. So this is a one-time offer, which you can actually claim through the links, and the links I have already shared with you all. Again, I'm sharing it once again with you all. So what does it include? It includes 1 month curated training where from 6 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. every Monday to Saturday. This is one batch. There are other batches available as well. So we operate from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. If you prefer any other batch also, you can let us know and we can organize it. So that won't be a problem. You can speak to our HR managers, Shivangi Jaiswal and Suman Anand, so that they can help you with any preferred timings also. So that is available. The primary program which we are starting is from 2nd of August, whose one-time offer ends by 12 a.m. by end of the day. So you can claim that, which includes 1 month training and 2 month internship, where you get a training certification, you get letter of completion for the trainings, you get 2 months internship with one project, you get 2 months internship certification, along with, as soon as you are ready with this 3 month of internship, you can apply at Hackweather also as a full-time paid intern, where you can work as a paid intern with us, and we refund your full fee, as well as we pay stipends also for the people, those who work on a specific profile with us. Followed by, in case if you're not selected at Hackweather somehow, and if you want to, if you have applied somewhere else in any other company as an intern, and as soon as you get an offer letter from them, either the internship paid offer letter or the placement offer letter, you can claim that full fee from us. So as a token of appreciation, that part is available. So again, as you have already seen, both the information of MTA Python as well as MCF AI 900, both of these have the same facilities available. I'm quickly taking you to MTA Python again. So in the MTA Python training and internship, this also is available from 2nd of August onwards. You can learn in a parallel batch by Mr. Abhishek. He's also a Microsoft certified educator. In this, you can claim the training and internship at a very small cost of 399 only. You can also claim an MTA Python voucher, which is available at a price of 799 only, and that is an optional voucher. So this offer is available by end of the day. Followed by The curriculum which you will be covering during MTA Python, I'm sharing that link with you all once again, so that you will get to know what all will be covered in the training. And here is the MTA Python syllabus, which I have now shared on your chat. Okay, so you'll have access to it. So it's a practical course where you practically implement Python, learn for Microsoft certifications, learn through quizzes. You solve all the questions, a lot of questions under the supervision and guidance of the mentors, followed by you get international recognition from Microsoft. Once you get internationally recognized, you work on projects with us. And there is a lot of self-learning material is also available on the website on Hackweather One-to-One, which you can actually explore and observe the kind of quality of trainings which we are offering. And accordingly, you can decide to go for the programs. So it's a very nice offer, one-time offer available. Followed by coming to the next point. In case somehow, if you are unable to take today's offer, there are standard offers available on the website where you can have a free self-learning course on Hackweather One-to-One, where you can access to course videos on Hackweather One-to-One. Approximately in Hackweather Learning Curves, we have posted a lot of videos, sequential videos, through which you can actually learn good stuff, implement projects through the video series. And once you are done completion of the course, you can apply for internship at career@hackweather.ca. The primary requirement is you should have already completed the course and you should know each and every concept from our courses. So for internship, once you're done with the course, you can apply on this email ID, career@hackweather.ca. To tell you, the courses available in free self-learning on Hackweather One-to-One does not include certificates. Okay, it only includes that you learn, you implement the project, you apply on the website as an intern, and we evaluate what you have implemented and what you have learned from the course, and we can hire you as an intern. And this intern could be paid intern. Okay. In the paid internship, we pay stipends from 5,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. That is what we pay to our interns. But you have to go through an evaluation process. There's a complete evaluation process which you need to pass. And if you're skilled enough, we are happy to have you as an intern. But in case if you don't possess the relevant skills already, so there is one more option. You can have self-learning with mentor support at 500 rupees only, where you access course videos on Hackweather One-to-One, and we add you on a Trello board where you have an interactive QA with us for 1 month duration. It includes course certificate also. It includes project-based free internship for 1 month where you build a project with us. You also get an internship certificate in it, and then you apply for paid internship. Okay, this facility is available. Once you're applied for paid internships, you have to send your resume again to career@hackweather.ca. There is third service available where you can have self-learning with mentor support for career programs. So suppose you want to prepare for Wipro or you want to prepare for Siemens Energy as per the hiring partners available with us, and you can access all the hiring partners available on this website. I'm sharing the link with you all, https://all_jobs.html. So these are the hiring partners. I have shared a link with you. There are many hiring partners available, and every hiring partner has a specific curated course which we have made for them. And we train our students in 3 formats again for that career program. In self-learning, you can get prepared at 2,500, where again you get access to the course videos on One-to-One, interactive QA on Trello with mentors for 1 month. It includes course certificate. You work on a project-based free internship for 1 month where we don't pay you. You get an internship certificate from us, and then you apply for paid internship. Okay. To take this service, there is self-learning career course link available, which I'm going to share with you. Followed by, there is the fourth service, instructor-led live online class at 5,900. So these classes are available for the learning curve if you want to start from the fundamental courses like Java, Python. And if you want to have a combination of the courses which is required in the industry as a Python developer or an Azure AI ML developer or any other program available in career programs. So you can get that service at 5,900 rupees only. And what are the benefits? The benefits is you get access to live 24 classes, you get latest session recordings in Trello, you access course videos, and you get an interactive QA with mentors for 1 year. So your membership is for 1 year, and you will get a project-based internship for 3 months, where you get a letter of 3 months of internship, which is quite valuable for the students. Then you apply for the paid internship at career.hackveda. And with this program, you can apply for paid jobs with hiring partners also. Okay. So once you are prepared in a curated fashion, we can directly help you apply to the job, and we help you prepare for the interview and everything. Okay. So this part is available in self-learning with mentor support for career programs also. Finally, we do have an instructor-led live corporate classroom at 6,500 rupees, where you can reach out to us, learn with us in a corporate classroom, but the corporate classrooms are only available in Delhi, Noida, and Canada. And due to COVID, as you already know, it's difficult to organize at various places all over India. So for now, the most recommended facilities which students are taking up is the instructor-led live online classroom, where they learn from the instructor, as well as if you want to learn at your pace, but supported by a mentor and the internship and all the certifications, then this is the recommended facility which you can take up at 2,500 only. And you can take self-learning with mentor support at 500. But again, to bring in your notice, one facility, the one-time offer, which I have already told you about, is available to access today, where you can take either MTA Python training and internship, MCF AI 900, Python developer training and internship at a very small cost of 399 rupees only, with MTA Python voucher, which is actually valued at 5,900 rupees in our instructor-led mentor training program plus internship. So I believe it's a great time. You can claim the offer. Again, to claim the offer, I'm sharing the payment links with you, where you can read the information and you can claim the offers. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions. We'll be happy to answer. Followed by, you all will be getting a participation certificate for today's one-day workshop. So we will be sharing the participation certificates, and you'll be able to access it in your one-to-one account by 8 p.m. itself, 8 p.m. today. So for now, if anybody has any questions, feel free to let us know. So I would be requesting all the mentors and the HR managers to be available, and we can speak with Pratiksha, Arun, Anika, Manali, Omkar. If you have any queries, let us know. So yes, you can learn for free on a self-learning platform, Hackveda one-to-one. And once you're done with all the videos you implement, you can directly apply as an intern. We can evaluate you and we can shortlist you as an intern, where you don't need to pay anything, but you can decrease all that time slot by having a self-learning, get the ample amount of internship certifications, learn with us at a very small one-time offer of 399 only. As well as to tell you, we are highly rated. You can quickly check about Hackveda on Google, where we are 4.6 star rated with 1,221 reviews as of now. So we are operating from a very long time, and you can get a lot of information from us. So guys, I would like to thank everyone, Manali, Pratiksha, Anika, Arun, and Omkar, and all my team members for being available and speaking with the mentors. So guys, if you want to claim that offer, the offer is available by end of the day, 12 a.m. So do claim it, as well as you can reach out to the website, speak to Talk to Mentor for whatever questions you have. So we will be happy to answer. Plus, we are sharing you on WhatsApp. We have added you on a WhatsApp group. If you want to have your questions for today's batch or anything, you can have your discussions with us there as well. And I'm also sharing one number, 9654825370, where you will be able to communicate with us directly and have your queries cleared. So having said that, I believe all the information has been conveyed to all the participants properly. And finally, would like to thank HR Shivangi Jaiswal and Suman Anand for organizing this session at a very, very short duration of time. And hopefully all the information has been shared to the participants. So guys, Yeah, Shivangi, you were saying something?
No. I just want to say that this is a one-time offer for you guys. It is available till 12 a.m. today. So I believe you should all take it, because it's very important to get these types of certifications and training and internships in your career to build up your career in a good manner. So it's a one-time offer. You should take it. And yeah, thank you so much, our mentors and Devanshu, for this impressive session. And yeah, Suman as well for organizing this along with me. So yeah, thank you so much on my behalf. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.